Yeah, hi guys. We're approaching the dinner hour here along Restaurant Row in West Hartford. And you know, a lot of restaurants, well, all of them, in fact, they ask you to show ID just to prove that you're old enough to buy a drink. They're required to do that by state law. But because there is no state law saying you have to get vaccinated with the COVID vaccine, restaurants told me that policing people's private medical records would be the opposite of hospitality.
Before I left, my mom sent me a text saying, don't forget your vaccine card.
Hospitals, colleges, Broadway, more places now requiring proof of vaccination.
The government, the state, they already kind of have their stranglehold on what we're doing, like every second of every day. And this is just going to be another thing.
Could restaurants be next?
We're in the service industry, and last thing we want to do is try to tell people what they should or shouldn't do.
Dave Rutigliano is the owner of the SBC Restaurant Group. He's also a state representative.
I don't think it's the right position to put my employees and my staff in to check people's medical records.
Back in April, a program called Drinks on Us gave a free drink to anybody who showed their vaccination card. But
we participated because, listen, we're here to help, but I didn't have any of my people ask for anybody's record. We just gave, if somebody asked for it and said, hey, I'm here because of the vaccine, we just gave them the free drink and called it a day.
So we asked diners, would you feel more comfortable in a restaurant knowing the people around you were vaccinated?
I think it provided add some extra comfort knowing that everyone in there was.
Part of it is freedom, just choosing whether I want to do it or not.
Governor Lamont, who had the option to follow New York by implementing a COVID vaccine passport system, told Fox 61 he doesn't regret not doing it.
It was really polarizing. It was just everybody was getting jumpy about it.
But at least one Connecticut business is opting to require vaccination.
I think it's a personal choice, and if you make that personal choice, you've made a personal choice not to see a play at our theater.
The Westport Country Playhouse is requiring masks and proof of vaccination in order to see a performance.
The pushback we got wasn't, why can't I come, I'm unvaccinated. The pushback was, why are you letting unvaccinated people in the space? We've all done our part.
And Michael also told us that they're also requiring that all of their performers get vaccinated. And, you know, restaurants and performance houses aren't the only entities that are considering doing something similar. Coming up in the news at 5, you're going to hear from an emergency room nurse at a local hospital why she has chosen not to get vaccinated and what she would do if her hospital required the COVID vaccine. We're live here in West Hartford. Matt Caron, Fox 61 News.